Hi guys, welcome to Crazy Chris Customs. Today we're going to do something that I do not like doing and I normally do not do. It's called a product review. And so far, so good. I like this thing. Yes, it was like 80 something dollars, but it's okay because it seems to work pretty good so far. So what we got is we got this thing. It's a 6-gang switch panel, blah, blah, blah. It was on Amazon by Nilight. Not sponsored or any of that crap with these guys. It was just something that I found and I bought. God knows where it come from. I guarantee it's China, but hey, you know, if they want to send me some more shit to play with, hey, y'all get right after it. I'm labeling this video up and trying to get y'all some of these sold because this is really, really cool. And I know it ain't like race grade and high-end grade, but hey, we are Crazy Chris Customs. We're crazy. We don't have the money to play with these big boys. So let's get to it. I'll show you how it all works. So I want to remind y'all, like, this truck's a mess. We were going to redo the wiring. The track is having a local race this weekend, and I really wasn't planning on going, but they offered a burnout contest or a burnout, so that's what we're trying to get done. So here you go. Anyway, you got 6 gangs here. You just plug them in. Starter wire, ignition wire, fuel pump. Remember, guys, this thing is half-assed in here. So anyway, it's here. All these relays, all this 6-gang relays. There, all the lights. So whenever you kick it on, it'll show like lights and stuff. I'll show you in there. So, you know, there's my ignition and fuel pump. And there's that starter. And that kills everything. So we're good there. All right, let's get up here in the box. Real quick, what we're going to show you. So you can label these anything you want. There is 2 different, you got books, and you got 2 different books of these, or whatever you want to call them, pages. There it goes, it focused now. So whatever you want to do, all kinds of stuff. Here's the lid that goes on there, you know, and shows current, max current, amperage ratings, and all that. All right. Strobe, I have the light bar on top of this. Some of y'all seen that last video. It's pretty cool. So just turns it off, turns it off, turns it on. So let's say you want to go, see, this was momentary, right? This is on off. You can change these modes. This is on off. This, are you ready? Basically acts like a signal. That acts like a signal. Look down here. See that? You can go right, left, signal. Turn that on, turn that off. That's right signal. This is left signal. You got them both on. Or like this will be my headlight. So that's cool because I'm going to use this one as headlights, like running lights, but whatever. And then strobe obviously is on. So how you do it is you just hold down this mode button. Okay, so we're going to use this one here. See how it's flashing? So it'll be red. And red is, so red is like just constant on. Oops, I took too long. So let me go here, go get it back. Okay, red's constant. The blue is the like momentary, where you push it, let off, it goes and it stops. Which is like a purple. I don't know if you can see that. But the purple is like signal, like a signal light. It flashes. Now then, this next one is pretty cool. You can hook lights to it and it strobes. So you can see how it's doing there. So let's do that. And let's turn it on and see what happens. See how that goes? So if you want to hook like a whole bunch of LEDs to your vehicle, you could do that and they'll all strobe together off of this light right here. Whoops. See, I messed up again. This is all new to me. So here we go. So let's do that. Let's put this back on purple because it's going to be a signal. So let's push mode, get out of that. Oops, I can't see again. So I did it wrong. So anyway, we got one more to go. That's blue, there's purple. So push mode. And we're back to like right signal. You know, it'll work as a signal. So we're fixed to put this truck back on the street. So that's going to be a big help. But my light bar has it all built in here. So the light bar is all built in. It's a Wayland light bar, so it's going to have just needs constant power. So guys, really that's about it. I'll finish getting this, and the wiring of this thing is not good, but this is a burnout truck. We do one thing with it. We thrash shit with it and we go on. Half the shit in here ain't hooked up. The gauges ain't working. So we need to get to that. We need to get that done. But for right now, this is what we have. So guys, be careful. Take care. Have a great day. And we will catch you on the next video. Again, this is the Nilight 6-gauge switch panel. Catch y'all later. Come off Amazon. We'll see how good it is. Nilight, if you're watching and you want to send a bunch of shit, I'll deck this truck out whatever color. I'll paint it, tractor paint it. We'll burn the tires off of it for you. I don't care. Catch y'all later.